Hey, what's up everyone? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the clone command. So first, I'm going to go ahead and open my web browser and go to github.com. As you can see, I only have one project here called demo, so I'll go ahead and click on that. And it should bring you to a page that looks something like this. Now, there are a few ways to download your project, and one of them is by downloading this GitHub application onto your desktop. Um, I don't like doing it that way just because it's too much bloatware on my computer, and I just like doing it the old school way through the clone command. So to do it through the clone command, you basically copy this URL here, and there are two options. There's the HTTPS URL and there's the SSH URL. Let's go ahead and copy the HTTPS URL first. So go ahead and copy that. And then choose whatever folder you want the project to be in. So I'll open this one called My Project. And inside, I will open a new Git bash window. I'll simply type in git clone, and then I'll paste in that HTTPS URL, and then I'll press enter. And that's it. It's as easy as that. It pretty much downloaded the whole application on there using the HTTPS protocol. Now, if you want to download it using the SSH protocol, it's pretty much the same thing. Let me show you how it works. So you click on SSH, you copy the URL, and then you do git clone and paste in the SSH URL. The only difference here is that it's going to ask you for a passcode, and this passcode should have been created when you were setting up your SSH keys. So once it asks you for that passcode, just type it in and press enter, and it should download the whole application on there. Now the difference between HTTPS and SSH is that SSH is more secure and it's a lot quicker. So if you're planning on downloading a large application or project, then I would recommend using SSH, but honestly, you could use either one. In fact, I think the default is HTTPS, so you're good with either one. Anyway, that's all for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Thanks.